Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by provisioning scalable infrastructure and launching your first crawler. Set up 3 or more nodes behind a load balancer so traffic won't bottleneck. Choose durable object storage for raw HTML. Next, seed the crawler with sitemaps and robots, TXT rules, and push discovered URLs into a queue like Kafka or Redis. Once done, make sure the crawler respects politeness delays and prioritizes high-value domains. That early discipline prevents overload and speeds meaningful index buildup. You now build the core indexing and ranking pipeline that turns pages into searchable documents. Parse HTML and JS-rendered content, extract metadata and structured data, then compute features like TF-IDF, BM25 scores, embeddings, backlinks, and freshness. Once computed, populate an inverted index for token lookups and a document vector store for semantic search. Make sure to version features and save them to a ranking feature store so your ranker can be retrained without reprocessing raw pages. You finish by deploying a low-latency search API with caching, query parsers, and a /b experiment hooks. Route queries through a hybrid ranker combining lexical signals and semantic embeddings, then return snippets and rich results. Continuously evaluate using relevance metrics, user logs, and periodic human judgments to iterate. If relevance drops or latency spikes, troubleshoot by checking crawler coverage, index freshness, and model feature drift. Often a stale index or missing signals is the single root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.